Hi, okay, so this is the entrance to my craft area. You can only access it through the master bedroom. So this is it. The light does not work. I have no clue what happened. I tried to replace the light bulbs. Okay, so I have this, I want to think it's called like the Calyx or something from IKEA. And I have the bins from IKEA as well. Actually, that's a box. Bins. This used to be my husband's office, so this is his filing cabinet system. This all needs to be recycled. These are some shipping boxes and bags. I'm actually in the middle of organizing my craft room, so I've been buying a lot of stuff or just replaced packaging with other packaging, so I still need to use this and go through it. This bad boy is a perfect example why you should read all measurements before purchasing something. I bought this on Amazon and it had like raving reviews. Nobody mentioned how giant it was. I mean, this thing is probably, I have no clue, but it takes up so much real estate. Like, I hate it, but it prints so fast and it prints so good. So I kept it, and I don't know if Amazon does returns, but anyway, my sewing machine and cutter, Cuttlebug. Then I have like Valentine's Day stuff, bows, flowers, and these things. This is all my crinkle paper stuff that I send out to people. Then Target had these boxes. I figured I could like stack up stickers and flip through them. This corner piece is a sunglasses case, but I had a party store on Etsy, and so I used like, see that top thing is a fake cake. I used this as props, so it's all cake stands and cupcake stands, so I need to get rid of that. You can hear my family in the background. We just got back from lunch. I have lots of organization in all of these. This tall thing. These two things are my sewing thing. These are beads for shaker cards. This is my desk. I'm pretty sure I got it on Amazon or somewhere. Yeah, maybe Amazon. The only bad thing about this is it has storage on the sides. So technically, you know, crafters, we like to use all the floor space, but I can't put anything here. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to get my 12 by 12s. Then I have all my washi. This is my trash bag that I later transfer to the trash can. That's all extra office supplies. I use storage underneath my desk. It's still deep enough to put my legs and the chair. There's my sewing machine pedal, so the cord is ran all the way through and just hanging on the back with a clip. It's hanging right there. I have my two lights because I have no lighting in here. These are just some packages I got actually yesterday, so I haven't sorted that into my stuff. I was working on an embellishment box. There's just some stuff on the desk. My craft room is relatively clean right now. This is the new We Are Memory Keepers thing. It stores all your like ready available knickknacks, and it gets giant, but when it's closed, sorry, it's hard to do it with one hand. It doesn't take up that much room. Scissors and pens. These are small paper scraps. These are pattern paper scraps. These are specialty paper scraps like glitter, gold foil, stuff like that. So I can use them, like, remember to use them at least. Hot glue gun. I got this thing at IKEA. It's metal. And I put all my current swaps because I don't ever work on one swap at a time. So I have like unicorn, mermaid stuff. What's this? That's a cactus one. This is a candy one. Let me back up. This paper rack. I used to run an online Etsy store, so I had to use everything from cardstock. So This thing is from eBay, free shipping. It was like $150. So $150 in free shipping, like, and it's solid wood. I was supposed to paint it white, but I never got around to it. I was too excited to fill it with paper. Then these are all paper pads, 12 by 12 paper pads. Tulle, stuff from my party shop. I'm starting to fill and organize my, what are these called? Alex drawers from IKEA. I assembled those. And I have a smaller one right here. And then in this, like, this is the only way I'll use all of my my paper. I got these from, a couple of them are iris cases from Michael's, but the like colored ones are from Costco. Came in a pack for like 19 bucks, so it was way cheaper to get it that way. But anyway, I've organized it into, you know, glitter paper, specialty as in foil or like linen, something fancy, single sheets, vellum and acetate. These are just solid colors in different sizes. Then there's the pattern paper. And then this top one is scraps, so glitter, pattern paper. So once this fills up too much, then I go and take those and organize them into the coordinating bins. There's my old school printer, stuff I need to file and put away. This is how the office used to look prior to me invading my husband's area. Sharpie markers. This is my silhouette cameo that I used for my Etsy store. Then I upgraded to the Cricut Maker when that got released. The computer packages I need to sort and file. That filing cabinet is all thickers and alphabets. And then these are all like scrapbooking, and I have everything organized into like, you know, shapes, birthdays, animals, so I know exactly where stuff is. I'll go into a deeper detail when I do my room tour, but this is all Jules gems, enamel dots and pearls, confetti, and they're just organized in Dollar Tree soda bins for the fridge. And these cases, I like that you can carry them and, you know, take them out of the room if you want. They're all ephemera. Project Life cards. I don't do Project Life, but I use those for Happy Meal. I don't know why. I mean, I feel like this is a lot for not doing Project Life stuff. So hopefully I didn't move too fast. I'm going to swing you back around to the side. If you noticed, my daughter's in here rating my stuff as usual. So this is all organization, like I said. I don't have walls. I mean, it has a half wall, so let me find the wall. It's right here. It's about a couple feet, and then there's no wall. So it's kind of like a loft, but you can only get to it via, you know, the master bedroom. Okay, Jade, looking extra scraggly. So these things are from Daiso Japan here in California, and this is how I organize a lot of my stuff. Like, if people gift me stuff, I have it in here. Paper clips, doilies, tags. Some of these must be new because I don't have them labeled. Also, or they're turned around. You know, Brad's sticky notes, paper clips. Everything's organized into this. This stuff on here in the bottom is all like holidays, Christmas, Halloween, because I started in Halloween with this whole crafty community, so I'm relatively new. So that's everything.